Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter number 6, triangle and its properties. Okay, triangle and its properties. Now, yesterday we have seen the medians of the triangle. Now we will see the altitudes of a triangle. So what is mean by altitude? Altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular line segment. Okay, now we will draw one figure. So this is a triangle, the triangle ABC. This is acute angle triangle, and the perpendicular line segment drawn from the vertex A. Okay, from the vertex A, and this is the point L. Okay, this is point L. Now the perpendicular line segment drawn from the vertex, drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, so it is known as what? Altitude. Okay, in the median divide this BC into two equal parts, but in the altitude this perpendicular line segment, this is the perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular line segment drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So this is acute angle triangle. Okay, now in the right angle triangle ABC, so this is ABC, triangle ABC, this is right angle triangle, and this AL, I will give the name to this AB. This is B point. Again, I will give the name point L. Okay, give the name L. Now this AL is the altitude. Okay, altitude. Now I will draw the obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so this is triangle A, B, and C. This is obtuse angle triangle. We will draw the perpendicular segment from the point A. Okay, this is the perpendicular segment. Okay, so I will give the point here L. So L is the altitude of the triangle. So every triangle has the three altitudes. Okay, every triangle has three altitudes, and this altitude is also known as the height of the triangle. This AL is known as the height of the triangle. Okay, now we are going to see the exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay, exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is mean by exterior angle? I have drawn here triangle ABC. ABC, this is triangle ABC, and at the vertex C I would extend this line. Okay, I have extended this line to the point D. Now this angle ACD, is known as the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Okay, and this BCA angle is adjacent to ACD. Okay, this BCA angle is adjacent to ACD, and the remaining two angles. Okay, remaining two means what? This angle A and angle B. These remaining two angles are known as what? Angle A, angle B. These remaining two angles are known as what? Interior opposite angles. Okay, this remaining two angles is known as interior opposite angles. Okay, now we have to see the exterior angle property. Okay, now see this figure. Now I will show the exterior angle properties. Okay, in the triangle, what is given here? The triangle ABC is given, and statement, we have to write the statement first. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, now we have to prove this statement. Okay, the statement is what? An exterior angle of a triangle means what? Angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of this angle A and angle B, sum of its interior opposite angle. Now what is given here? Given, consider triangle ABC. Okay, consider triangle ABC, this, and angle ACD is what? Angle ACD is exterior angle. Which angle? Exterior angle. Okay, what is given? Again I am explaining. Consider the triangle ABC and angle ACD is the exterior angle. Okay, now we have to show, okay, we have to show measure of angle ACD is equal to, we have to show measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Okay, now through C we will draw parallel line to what? Parallel line to AB. Now I will give the point here E. Okay, through the C I will draw the parallel line. Okay, through the C I will draw the parallel line to parallel line to what? AB, parallel to AB. Now through the C, draw CE parallel BA. Okay, line segment CE parallel to BA line segment. Okay, now verification. In the verification we have to prove that. Okay, in the verification we have to prove this. In the verification, angle 1, here angle 1 is equal to what? Angle X. Here is angle X here. Okay, and here is angle Y. Okay, angle 1 is equal to, here angle 1 is equal to angle X. Why? Because these are the interior opposite angles. No, it is alternate interior angles. Okay, angle 1 is equal to angle X because see, these are the parallel lines. Okay, and these are the alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. Now the alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, now the angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Why? Because these are corresponding angles. Which angles? Corresponding angles. Now these are the corresponding angles. Okay, now we have to add this angle 1 plus angle 2 to left hand side, and angle X plus angle Y to right hand side. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle X plus angle Y. But the angle X plus angle Y is equal to what? See, angle X and angle Y, these are the angle X and angle Y, these are the adjacent angles. Okay, so the addition of this adjacent angle will be what? Angle ACD, total angle ACD. Okay, measure of angle ACD is equal to angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle ACD. Now we have to put this value of angle x plus angle y into this equation. Okay, so the angle x plus angle y is equal to what? Angle ACD, and angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to what? Is equal to angle ACD. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD, because see here angle x plus angle y is given ACD. Therefore we have to write here angle ACD. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. 1 plus 2 is equal to angle ACD. Okay. Now the ACD is what? Exterior angle. Okay. ACD is what? Exterior angle. And angle 1 and angle 2, these are the what? Interior opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 2, these are the interior opposite angles. Therefore see, therefore we can write measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle ACD is equal to angle 1. Angle 1 means angle A, measure of angle A, plus angle 2 means measure of angle B. So this is proof. Therefore this is known as exterior angle property. Angle sum property of, this is known as angle, no, this is known as exterior angle property. Okay. Okay, this is known as exterior angle property. Understood everyone?